Permanent monitoring equipment is headed to Yellowstone National Park's Biscuit Basin area. Temporary cell phone camera captured a small eruption Saturday night after a major one in 2024. On Saturday night, plumes from Yellowstone National Park's Black Diamond Pool shot up about 20 feet, according to the Yellowstone Volcano Observatory. On May 14th, scientists installed a temporary mobile camera at the Biscuit Basin site, northwest of Old Faithful, following a major explosion there on July 23rd, 2024. Yellowstone Volcano Observatory scientist Michael Pollan said this week that the detection of the eruption at Black Diamond Pool shows the camera was a good investment, and plans are to install a permanent monitoring station in the area. This feels like a great use of resources to capture an event that will help us better understand what's going on in Biscuit Basin, Pollan said. This summer, scientists will test and install a permanent station there with microphones to pick up acoustic noise, a GPS station, and equipment to monitor seismic changes. The cameras at the site can't broadcast video, but they can record it on site, and they can send static images every 15 minutes to the Yellowstone Volcano Observatory, a consortium of state and federal agencies that monitors and provides hazard assessments in the Yellowstone Plateau region. Pollan said scientists are capturing and reviewing the images to see if they've changed, and sure enough, the image of the pool from 8:30 p.m. to 8:45 p.m. on May 31st looks different. It looks like the pool has been disturbed, the rocks have shifted, the water is all over the edges, Pollan said. He said the video footage showed the cameras had captured a small eruption. Pollan said several eruptions after last summer's blast have been observed, and a number of smaller ones have been detected by seismic data and acoustic monitoring. On November 5th, 2024, a geologist at the park taking samples witnessed a 20 or 30-foot eruption of muddy water, he said. Then, on January 3rd, 2025, a group of tourists watching bison nearby observed a small eruption in the pool. We have all the other data that suggests this has happened multiple times, Poland said. By comparison, Old Faithful shot up from 106 feet to more than 180 feet, according to the National Park Service. Poland said the small flares captured on video are likely typical of current activity at Black Diamond Pool. The area has a history of eruptions and explosions, and it likely formed in the early 20th century, Poland said.
It's like a new bend in the middle.
Since then, there have been periods when it's been a little more active and then periods when it's been quiet, he said. In the mid-2000s to mid-2010s, the volcano may have erupted several times a year, then quieted down until 2024, Poland said. Last summer, in a massive explosion, the pool sent 3-foot-wide boulders hundreds of feet into the air and reshaped the pools.